Greetings, September 24th, 2021. This is a shorter video than the 3-minute, 30 or 40-second one I just did a minute ago. Under the Wings 34, which I drew in 1997 in ink, is now framed at long last. The wings were drawn at the Ornithology Lab at the Berkeley Museum of Natural History at the University of Washington. There's one extra wing over here. Drawn from print I'd seen of this photo, which I years later bought this book. Photographs by Heinrich Jast, a Nazi soldier who'd gone into the Warsaw Ghetto on his birthday. Did this photo documentation for himself. Alright, the man perished. A man of blessed memory, whose name we do not know, but we remember him and other victims. The 10 million victims of the Holocaust, of the Nazis, victims of Nazis and fascists, and we try to remember, keep in mind all the other genocides and hate crimes and war victims and so on that have happened in all the years since 1945. Budgie, how we doing? Camera shy, they just got really quiet. All right, there you have it. A minute and a half. That's better. And I will add that today's GOP, led by Trump and embraced by governors like DeSantis in Florida and other governors who are leading anti-democracy voter suppression campaigns against blacks, against Hispanics, against Native Americans. They are stomping on the memory of every American serviceman and servicewoman who fought, and many lost their lives fighting the Nazis and fascists during World War II.